Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, so today I just want to have a nature walk. I want to have a nature walk in Makueni County. So this is how actually Makueni County looks like. So you can see the motorbikes crossing the road. So I guess we want to go this side, and I'm going to follow the other way. Yeah, I'm walking towards the Makueni County government office. Yeah. So let's walk as you enjoy. This is the road heading to the county assembly. Yeah, this road heads to county assembly and other big offices in Makueni County. So you can actually see the area. Yeah, so let's walk around. I think there's another highway there. I think I'm going to cross towards that area as we walk around. So those who are joining, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. My name is Uma, and please leave a comment concerning the video. Yes, so I'm heading towards the county. It's called what? It's a technical school in Makueni County. Yeah. So don't bother the noises of the motorbikes passing. Let's just walk as we go. So I want to cross over to this side so that we see what's going on. Right now it's raining in Makueni County, and it's so green, The weather is cool, chill. I thought it was going to rain, but it never rained. The weather is just calm, and you can hear some sounds of the insects around. So yes, see how it's bush. The trees are green here as we walk towards the. If you are joining right now, please make sure you subscribe and like the video. Yes. This is the fire station of Makueni County. You can see this is the gate, I think. Yeah. So I'm heading towards the county assembly area, and you are going to see the county assembly of Makueni County. Yes. And there's an insect on my body. So yeah, this is the fire station. You can see several colors. Yeah, and if you look there, you can see the wall of a school. I think this is the Makueni Technical. So let's go. I need to cross over here. I'm just having a nature walk, and I want to see what's on this other end. So walk with me as we go. and see what's on the other end. I need to, if you can see it here. Yes, this is a football pitch there. I'm coming back the other that area. So I just want to show you a bit of Makueni County and this area of County Assembly area. Yes. So there are some birds here. These are guinea fowls. You're gonna see them. The guinea fowls. Some guy there. See the guinea fowls? Yes. So that's it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch the video till the end. And thank you for watching this video. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. I really appreciate you so much. Yeah. So if you can see, I think this is the wall fence of Makueni County as we walk through. So let's do this. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's do this. And there's a pitch here, I think this is for the county assembly. Yes. Yeah. There's a pitch there. Thank you. Area. We are heading towards the county assembly. Now if you can see there, that's the part of the county assembly. These are the buildings within the county assembly. Yeah, we are heading right there. So Makueni County is bushy. Hey, a lot and a lot of trees, but there are a lot of trees in this area. Yeah. There are a lot and a lot of trees. Yes. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. As you see this, I just took this other way. I knew it was passing through this area, but I wasn't sure. I was just told by someone that pass through the county assembly, and if you pass through this, you can be able to see the inside very clearly. So I decided to pass through this road, and this is the county, you can clearly see. So I think that's the kitchen. That's the kitchen for the county assembly. I'm not sure, but I'm seeing some utensils. There seems to be a kitchen. Yeah. That building there, that's the hall of the assembly. The highway I've followed is very cool. No much noise in this area. Yes. So that so that we can get to understand each other better. Yes. So let's walk around. So I have the nature walk. We are having the nature walk right now. There's a big hotel here. A very, very big hotel. So this one here, I think this one here, the county assembly. As we walk, we go through. Yes. We have very big hotel here. It's called Kilimani. Kilimani. I don't know if you can see the name there. Yes. Kilimani Breeze Hotel. Yes. I just left the Maram Road. I'm actually walking on a tarmac right now. Yes. I can say that the Makueni County is fine. Yeah, especially in terms of roads within the town, it's good. So far, I can give it 7 out of 10. If I'm to rate it in terms of road construction, it's good. It's good. It's not bad. Yes. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you follow, and that's it. So I'm right there. Please, for those who doesn't know me, my name is Wote. If this is your first time in the channel, please make sure you subscribe, like the video please, and also leave a comment there. Yes, I will highly appreciate for that support you are giving. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers for always supporting and watching this video. I really appreciate you so much. So this road here I'm walking through is heading towards the hotel there. Yes. Now there's a guy here looking after these animals. Mambo, hizi ndio mbuzi zako? Yeah. Si unipe mbuzi moja? Yeah. Eh? Kuna mbuzi mingi bwana. So unaziangalia angalia. Yeah. Pia natembea nikifanya video hapa. Sawa. So just talking to him in Swahili. Yeah, the language I've just used is the Swahili language. So, and this, now look at that, look at the road, look at the road. So perfect, so good. Let's go to the walkway there. As we head down. So this is Makueni County. Yes. Now I'm coming to the front side of the county assembly building. Yes. This is the front side of the county assembly building. I don't know if you can see there. That's the gate. That's the gate to the county assembly. I don't know, there's another building here. I don't know. I think it's just the government offices. There are government offices there. So I'm not actually sure what activities are there because I don't know, is it the Huduma Center? I'm told Huduma Center is on this side. I think it's the Huduma Center. So, as you see there, that's the gate, Makueni County. I think I need to take a thumbnail from there. Thank you so much for watching. Yes. This one there is the building for the county assembly. Please, if you are watching this video and this is your first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also leave a comment down there. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Thank you for coming again and again to watch. For the returning subscribers, I really appreciate so much what you are doing and the support you are giving me. So these are where there are other offices of the county assembly. I don't know, I think it's a government office here. Yes, so please make sure you subscribe and like the video. Kindly please make sure you leave a comment down there and give us the view on what you think about the video. Yes, you can see the offices, and I don't know what happens is, but I think it's government office. Yeah, several activities happens there. Yes. So this one, we are in Makueni County. If you are just joining to watch the video, we are in Makueni County today. Yeah, I'm showing a bit of Makueni County. Sorry for the noise from the motorbikes, but yes. That's my friend passing there. Yes. It's my friend there. So you can actually see how Makueni County is. And I think it's really nice. Oh, there's a Huduma Center here, actually. So if you're in Makueni County and looking for where the Huduma Center is, it's what the county assembly is, the Huduma Center here. In Makueni County. So all the government services, you can get them from the Huduma Center. Yeah. Those who are watching this video and you are from abroad, Huduma Center in Kenya is a place where you can get the government services easily. So let's go through this other highway as we head back. So you can see, just look around how roads are made here. That's one thing I really love about Makueni County. Yes, roads are good. Yeah, see that? Yes, they are very, very smooth roads. Very, very good roads in Makueni County. And a lot of trees. Yeah. Right now it's raining and it's green everywhere. Green. Yes. It's very green. Makueni County. Yeah. So if you are returning, you are coming back for this video, please make sure you watch the video till the end, and also make sure you subscribe. Yes, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment there. I will really appreciate so much. Now you can see what is made of Makueni County. This is the land, this is the place. Actually, Makueni County is where we get I'm told this is the place where you get the sweetest fruits, especially all types of oranges. Yeah, the sweetest are coming from Makueni County, and you can also get. This is not the season, but there are seasons where you can also get the mangoes. So Makueni County has a lot of goodies actually. So it's a nice place you can also visit if you happen to be around. Next time I'll show you areas that you will need to visit when you come to Makueni County. Yes, I'll show you areas where you need to go to, especially if you are in Makueni County. So you can actually see how roads are good. Actually, this road heading to the county assembly area and where the government offices are is very nice, very nice roads. And for this, we give credit to the county government of Makueni County. Yes, county government of Makueni County. You are really doing really nice work actually, especially on roads. Yes. So for those who are watching this video for the first time, please make sure you subscribe. Yes, make sure you subscribe. There's another office here. I think this is one of the government offices here. And it's also very nice. Yes, you can just see. I think I need to take a photo from there. Here we have the Red Cross office. So that's the office of the governor of Makueni County. Yes. Office of the governor, actually. It's written there, the office of the governor in Makueni County. Yes. So, hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you didn't enjoy, please let me know also on the comment section. If you have any question, also you can let me know on the comment section here. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let me get to there. If I'm telling you the road here is good now, just see this road. Look at this. Look at this. So nice. So nice. And we also have this path where you can walk, you can ride your bicycle. If you have your bicycle, you can ride your bicycle here as you walk. And now look at this view here where you see town. You see these houses there. Let me increase it so that you see it clearly. I don't know if you are able to see. Yeah, there. You see? Yeah. So this is it. This is it. And we are here in Makueni County. See the bush. You see the bush. And it's a government land. So you see. Yes. Bushy. And these are thorns. Let me show you. See this? Those are thorns. So Thank you so much for watching this video from the start to the end. Please make sure you subscribe, and I really appreciate you so much for coming to watch this video. For the newest people in this channel, please make sure you subscribe. For the returning subscribers, please share the link of the video, and let's get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, because much more goodies are coming. So please don't fail to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really wanna finish this video here and tell you that please make sure you subscribe, share the link to, so that we get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. We are in the road to 1,000 subscribers, and that's where we are heading to. So thank you so much. Please make sure you give the video like, thumbs up, and thank you for watching.